Hello class, this is just a really brief video to explain to you step by step how to set up a paper in MLA style. Okay, the first thing you want to do if you're in a Word document or in Google Docs is to double click on the header. You're going to tab over to the right hand side. You are going to put your last name and then a space, and then you are going to insert page number right here to current position, and then click on plain number. Alright, that way every page of your document is going to have your last name and page number. Alright, make sure you click out of the header box, and the next thing you're going to do is your MLA name heading. Okay, first things first, I'm going to pretend my name is Jane Smith. I'm going to put my name. I'm going to put my instructor's name. That's me. I'm going to put the name of the course. And then I'm going to put a due date. Notice that MLA likes the day first, then the month, and then the year with no punctuation. Okay? Every document that you submit in this class should have some type of title. So I'm going to name this one Compare and Contrast of Genesis and Iroquois Creation Myth. It does not need to be bold. It does not need to be italicized, underlined, just plain text. It does need to be centered, however. Alright. Then I'm going to left align, and I'm going to indent, and my submission would start here. Alright, now let's make sure we have all our formatting right, okay? First thing we're going to do is check our margins. You should have 1-inch margins on all sides. Alright, that's correct. Now let's check our spacing. I'm going to highlight this. Spacing, a lot of times on computers, the default is set to 8 point instead of 0 point. So we're going to set this to 0 point. And then we're going to set the line spacing to double. Okay, see how that changed? The last thing you want to do is set your font. There are 2 acceptable font styles. One is Calibri, 12 point, and the other is Times New Roman, 12 point. Okay, that's already correct, but I do think what's in my header is set at 11 points. I'm going to change that to 12 point as well. Okay, this way everything matches up. Okay, for every new paragraph that you start, you should indent. All your submissions should have separate paragraphs depending on when you switch from idea to idea. And do not forget to always cite parenthetically in MLA style throughout your text. If you need to brush up on this, I advise you to look in the Little Seagull handbook that you may have used for English 111 or English 112. And also, if you don't have a handbook, please visit OWL at Purdue. OWL Online Writing Lab at Purdue. Purdue. It's a very, very reputable source for MLA formatting. Alright, if you have any questions, email me. See you online.